Hello guys, hopes everyone are healthy and safe. So today we're going to see different types of hooks. So this is the concept where it will helps you to do some kind of stateful operations which is in the React.js. So let's go and see all the hooks and what are the types we have, like basic additional hooks. We're going to cover all this in coming videos. So this video I going to explain you the use state. There is a hook which is called a use state. What is a main feature of this use state that we're going to see here. Okay, so before going to do that, please go and check it out. What is the hooks and what is really it's doing. So you can study deep. So it will be easy for me for you to just grab the things. Okay, cool. So last sessions we try to do some kind of things like local setup and try to list the data. So today we're going to see like try to understand the hooks. So this video I going to explain you the use state hooks. Okay. So for that I will try to show you okay, just add on here. Okay. Cool. So here I try to add on constant called simple example. This you can understand. Okay, counter equal to 0. Okay, so this counter value, okay, so it's got displayed over here. That is fine. So now my requirement is that I having one button. So on click of this button I want to increment my counter. So normally in application how we do, right, we write one function and try to call on click event to implement that. So let's we try the same here and see how that works. Okay, so let's go. So normally this is what we do, right, to increment by one. So this one on click button we call it. Okay, so but when I try to do increment, it's not getting updated in the doom. Okay, but we can able to see that this value got incremented. We can see it in console. Okay, so let's inspect as well. Let's go to the console. So now I try to increment. Okay, okay, see now my value is got updated plus 1 plus 2 3 4. Yeah, it's got updated, but it's not reflecting in the UI. This is the reason why hooks come into the picture. The hooks helps you to, without refreshing a page, it helps you to update your state. So here the React have a concept called use state. With help of the use state we can able to update. It's a update the UI without doing any refresh the page. So it's kind of a stateful whenever the action there, so it will reflect you in the doom as well. Okay, so how to achieve that? So we have to do some little alteration here. So the syntax for equal to use state. So this it will have the initial value. Okay, and here in the constant, first is the variable name, then set. This is to update the, this is the function callback where you can update the state. Okay, this is the syntax for the use state. So this is the counter variable which you can have the value, and this is the callback function which helps you to see, this is to help to the set action. Okay, so this you can call this method, and you can update the state, then it will update UI as well. Okay, let's how to do that. Very simple. Just call this function here. Okay, set counter, pass the set counter the value. So whatever the value which we are passing, this will update the variable by help of the use state. Okay, now I say this. So now I try to increment. See, one. Okay, let's clear increment. Okay, so this is just a counter we are having, so that's the reason. Counter plus 1 is what the value, right? So now let's refresh from the scratch. We'll try to go 1 2 3 4 5. So now it's getting updated. So with help of useState, we can able to achieve update the doom. Okay, so this is the one hook which we use to update the doom element. Let's focus other hooks in the next session. Thanks for watching the video. Please try this out. This is a very base hook. So next session we plan to cover, we have a use effects, use context, and we have additional like use reducers, use callbacks, use memos. So we're going to understand all the different hooks, and from like which scenario we have to use all these hooks, we'll be seeing it. So I added the link for the playlist of React.js. So I updated the same video there as well. If new video updating, so the playlist get updated. Please follow the playlist, so you will get the latest update of the playlist. Thank you.